Discover the divine force behind the universe and embark on a journey through time to understand the significance of Lord Vishnu, the preserver and protector of Hinduism. Welcome to this video on Lord Vishnu, one of the most revered deities in Hinduism. Lord Vishnu is one of the three major gods in Hinduism, along with Lord Shiva and Lord Brahma, and is considered the sustainer and preserver of the universe. In this video, we will explore the mythology, teachings, and importance of Lord Vishnu, as well as his role in Hinduism and the significance of his 10 avatars. The early history of Lord Vishnu can be traced back to ancient Hindu scriptures such as the Vedas and the Puranas. According to Hindu mythology, Lord Vishnu is one of the three primary deities in Hinduism, along with Lord Brahma and Lord Shiva. The three gods represent the cycle of birth, preservation, and destruction in the universe. Lord Vishnu is considered the preserver of the universe and is responsible for maintaining balance and harmony. In Hindu mythology, Lord Vishnu is often portrayed as the savior of the world, who comes to the rescue of humanity during times of crisis. The most famous example of this is the story of the 10 avatars, or incarnations, of Lord Vishnu. According to this story, Lord Vishnu takes on different forms, such as a fish, a turtle, a boar, a man-lion, and a dwarf, to defeat evil and restore balance to the world. The earliest mention of Lord Vishnu can be found in the Rig Veda, where he is referred to as the all-pervading deity who is present in everything and in all beings. Over time, Lord Vishnu grew in popularity and became one of the most widely worshipped deities in Hinduism. Today, Lord Vishnu continues to be worshipped in various forms and is considered a powerful and benevolent deity who provides protection and guidance to his devotees. In Hinduism, Lord Vishnu is seen as the preserver and protector of the universe and is responsible for maintaining balance and order. His role is to preserve dharma, or righteousness, and protect the good. Lord Vishnu is often depicted as the sustainer of life and is associated with the maintenance of the world. He is believed to have created the universe and is also considered responsible for its destruction and rebirth. According to Hindu mythology, Lord Vishnu is said to have created the universe through his divine power and to have maintained balance and order in the world. The Hindu Puranas mention that Lord Vishnu lies on a serpent named Ananta, and from his navel arises a lotus flower, symbolizing the creation of the universe. Vaikuntha is the abode of Lord Vishnu in Hindu mythology. It is considered as the ultimate destination of the soul after death. Vaikuntha is depicted as a divine and blissful realm, beyond the physical world, where the soul can attain ultimate peace and happiness. Vaikuntha is said to be located in the spiritual world, and it is believed that those who reach Vaikuntha will never return to the cycle of birth and death. In Hindu mythology, Vaikuntha is often described as a place where there is no sorrow, no suffering, and no ignorance. It is considered to be the ultimate goal of life and the ultimate reward for living a virtuous life. The concept of Vaikuntha is deeply ingrained in Hinduism, and it has a significant influence on the spiritual and religious practices of Hinduism. The Vaikuntha realms are depicted in different ways in different Hindu texts, with varying descriptions of its size, layout, and inhabitants. However, the central concept remains the same: it is the place where Lord Vishnu resides, and it is the ultimate destination for the soul after death. Vaikuntha is often depicted as being surrounded by beautiful gardens, lakes, and other natural wonders, and it is believed that those who reach Vaikuntha will enjoy eternal happiness and peace in the company of Lord Vishnu. The teachings and significance of Lord Vishnu can be found in Hindu scriptures and religious texts such as the Bhagavad Gita and the Puranas. According to Hindu philosophy, Lord Vishnu represents the ultimate reality, known as Brahman, and is considered the source of all existence. He is considered to be the preserver of dharma, which is the moral and ethical code that governs the universe. One of the key teachings of Lord Vishnu is the idea of self-realization and the importance of recognizing one's true nature as being identical with the ultimate reality. Hindus believe that through devotion to Lord Vishnu and the practice of yoga, an individual can attain self-realization and achieve a state of enlightenment. Another important teaching of Lord Vishnu is the idea of reincarnation, or rebirth. Hindus believe that the soul is eternal and that after death, it is reborn into a new body. Lord Vishnu is believed to keep a record of all souls and their actions, and to determine the circumstances of the next rebirth. The significance of Lord Vishnu extends beyond the realm of Hindu philosophy and spirituality. He is also considered an important cultural icon in India and is widely worshipped by Hindus across the world. Lord Vishnu is often depicted in Indian art and architecture, including the famous temples of South India, such as the Sri Ranganathaswamy Temple in Tamil Nadu and the Jagannath Temple in Orissa. Overall, Lord Vishnu is an important figure in Hinduism and continues to be revered and worshipped by millions of people around the world. Through his teachings and significance, Lord Vishnu represents the eternal truth and goodness that lies at the heart of Hindu philosophy and spirituality. The 10 avatars of Lord Vishnu, also known as the Dasavatar, are considered as the major 10 incarnations of Lord Vishnu. The 10 avatars are said to have taken place to restore balance and dharma, righteousness, in the world. Here is a brief description of each of the 10 avatars. Matsya Avatar is the first of the 10 avatars of Lord Vishnu. According to Hindu mythology, Matsya Avatar was taken by Lord Vishnu to save the world from a great flood that was about to engulf the earth. The story goes that the king of the world, Manu, had a dream in which Lord Vishnu appeared to him as a small fish and asked him to save him from a bigger fish. The king did as he was told, and as he kept saving the fish from bigger and bigger fish, it eventually grew so big that it became impossible to carry. Lord Vishnu then appeared to Manu in his true form and asked him to build a boat and gather all the species of the world on it, so that they could be saved from the impending flood. When the flood finally arrived, Lord Vishnu took the form of Matsya Avatar and helped Manu and the other beings on the boat to survive the deluge. Matsya Avatar also helped in recovering the lost Hindu scriptures, the Vedas, which had been stolen by demons. This avatar of Lord Vishnu is believed to symbolize the importance of conservation and protection of all species and life forms on Earth. It is also seen as a reminder of the cyclical nature of life and the inevitability of destruction and rebirth. Matsya Avatar is worshipped by Hindus during the festival of Navaratri and is seen as a symbol of bravery and protection against natural disasters and calamities. The Kurma Avatar, also known as the Turtle Avatar, is the second of Lord Vishnu's 10 avatars. In Hindu mythology, the Kurma Avatar appeared during the time of the great churning of the ocean, known as the Samudra Manthan. According to the story, the Devas, gods, and Asuras, demons, decided to work together to obtain the nectar of immortality from the depths of the ocean. They used a giant serpent as a rope to churn the ocean and produce the nectar. However, the serpent was unable to hold up the massive mountain used as the churning staff. To solve this problem, Lord Vishnu transformed into the Kurma Avatar and offered to support the mountain on his back, allowing the churning to continue. In this form, Lord Vishnu is depicted as a giant turtle with a human body, holding the mountain on his back. The Kurma Avatar symbolizes stability, support, and the power to hold up the world during difficult times. It also represents the concept of selflessness and the willingness to sacrifice for the greater good. Varaha, Lord Vishnu appeared as Varaha, the boar, to save the earth, which had been swallowed by the demon Hiranyaksha. Nrsimha, Lord Vishnu appeared as Nrsimha, the half-man, half-lion form, to slay the demon king Hiranyakashipu, who was terrorizing the world. Vamana Avatar is the fifth avatar of Lord Vishnu, who appeared in the Treta Yuga. In this avatar, Lord Vishnu took the form of a dwarf Brahmin, with a staff and a water pot, to restore the world's balance and order. According to Hindu mythology, a powerful demon king named Bali had become very powerful and had conquered the three worlds, heaven, earth, and the underworld. He was a devotee of Lord Shiva, and his power had become so great that even the gods had fled to Vishnu for help. Vishnu then took the form of Vamana, and approached King Bali during a yajna, sacrifice, ceremony. He requested 3 paces of land from Bali, to which the king agreed. However, as soon as Bali granted the request, Vamana's form grew to gigantic proportions, and with 2 strides, he covered the entire universe. When Bali realized that Vamana was not just any ordinary dwarf but Lord Vishnu himself, he offered his head for the 3rd step. In this way, Lord Vishnu regained control of the 3 worlds, and Bali was banished to the underworld. However, Lord Vishnu was pleased with Bali's devotion and granted him a boon that he would become the ruler of the underworld and would continue to be remembered as a great king. Parasurama is the 6th avatar of Lord Vishnu, as mentioned in Hindu mythology. He was born to sage Jamadagni and his wife Renuka, and was known for his bravery and warrior skills. The mythology states that King Kartavirya Arjuna had stolen Jamadagni's sacred cow, Kamadhenu, which led to a battle between the king and Parasurama. In this battle, Parasurama defeated King Kartavirya Arjuna and regained Kamadhenu. Parasurama is considered to be the one who created the state of Kerala, which is said to have been submerged under the ocean. He used his axe to clear the ocean and create land, and then settled the Brahmins on this new land. Parasurama is depicted as a warrior with a ferocious temper and an unwavering devotion to Lord Vishnu. He is believed to have rid the world of the Kshatriya warriors, who were considered to be oppressors and tyrants. He is revered as a symbol of bravery and justice, and is worshipped by the people of Kerala as their patron deity. In Hinduism, Parasurama is considered to be an incarnation of Lord Vishnu, who came to Earth to restore balance and rid the world of tyranny and oppression. He is remembered for his courage and valor, and is an important figure in Hindu mythology and Hinduism as a whole. Rama, Lord Vishnu appeared as Rama, the prince of Ayodhya, to slay the demon king Ravana and to restore dharma in the world. Krishna, Lord Vishnu appeared as Krishna, the cowherd and advisor to the Pandavas, to guide and advise the Pandavas during the Great War of Kurukshetra and to restore dharma in the world. The Buddha avatar is an interesting and unique aspect of Lord Vishnu's avatars. This avatar is considered a symbol of peace, compassion, and wisdom. The Buddha avatar is believed to have appeared on earth in order to spread the teachings of Buddhism and to bring a sense of peace to the world. It is said that Lord Vishnu took the form of the Buddha in order to bring an end to the conflict and strife that was prevalent at the time. The Buddha avatar is often depicted as a serene and wise figure, surrounded by followers who look to him for guidance. The teachings of the Buddha are centered around the Four Noble Truths, which state that suffering is an inherent part of existence, that suffering arises from craving and attachment, that it is possible to end suffering, and that the path to the cessation of suffering is the Eightfold Path. The Buddha avatar is seen as a symbol of hope and a path to liberation from the cycle of birth and death. Many people in Hinduism view the Buddha avatar as a representation of the ultimate spiritual goal, which is to attain enlightenment and achieve ultimate peace. The Buddha avatar is revered by both Hindus and Buddhists, and is seen as a bridge between the two religions. His teachings are widely studied and continue to inspire people from all over the world to this day. Kalki is the final and 10th avatar of Lord Vishnu, according to Hindu belief. He is considered the harbinger of the end of the current era, Kali Yuga, and the beginning of a new era, Satya Yuga. According to Hindu Puranas, Kalki is depicted as a powerful warrior riding a white horse and wielding a sword. He is often described as having a golden complexion, dressed in white garments and shining like the sun. In Hindu mythology, it is believed that Lord Vishnu will come in the form of Kalki to re-establish dharma, or righteousness, in a world that has become corrupt and decadent. He is said to possess divine powers and knowledge, and is destined to eradicate all the evil forces that have taken over the world and restore balance and order. The arrival of Kalki is described as being a catastrophic event, with fire and destruction being unleashed upon the world. Yet despite the chaos and destruction, Kalki is seen as a savior, a bringer of new hope and a brighter future for humanity. In Hindu worship, Kalki is revered as a symbol of divine power and the ultimate triumph of good over evil. Devotees of Lord Vishnu often look forward to the arrival of Kalki with great reverence and anticipation, and believe that his coming will bring about a new era of peace, prosperity, and enlightenment for all. These 10 avatars are not just legends, but are also seen as symbolic representations of different aspects of the divine. They are revered as the embodiment of Lord Vishnu's grace and power, and are worshipped by Hindus all over the world. Could they also represent the theory of evolution? The order of the avatars is extremely important in Hinduism, and construction of ancient temples has been known to be abandoned due to a mistake in order of avatars. Lord Vishnu is also considered as the preserver of the universe. He is responsible for maintaining balance and order in the world and preserving the good deeds and virtues of humanity. He is believed to have the power to maintain the balance between good and evil and to prevent the world from being destroyed. Furthermore, Lord Vishnu is also believed to be responsible for the destruction and rebirth of the universe. According to Hinduism, the universe goes through cycles of creation, preservation, destruction, and rebirth, and Lord Vishnu is said to play a crucial role in this cycle. He is believed to have the power to bring an end to the current cycle of the universe and to start a new one, ensuring that life and creation continue. In conclusion, Lord Vishnu is considered to be the creator, preserver, and destroyer of the universe and is believed to play a crucial role in maintaining balance and order in the world. He is revered and worshipped by Hindus as the embodiment of divine power and wisdom. In Hinduism, Lord Vishnu is worshipped in many different forms and is considered a deity of great significance. His teachings emphasize the importance of devotion, selfless service, and good deeds. The goal of Hindu life is seen as attaining liberation or moksha, and Lord Vishnu is considered a key figure in helping individuals reach this state. In addition to his role in Hinduism, Lord Vishnu also plays a significant role in Indian culture and mythology. His avatars, including Rama and Krishna, are revered figures in Hinduism and are the subject of many religious texts and stories. Lord Vishnu is also depicted in Hindu art and architecture and is a popular deity among Hindu devotees. Worship and celebration of Lord Vishnu is a central part of Hinduism and is an integral aspect of the religion. One of the most important ways of worshipping Lord Vishnu is through puja, which involves the offering of flowers, fruits, and other items to the deity. It is customary to recite prayers and hymns during this time. The devotee may also perform arti, which involves waving a lit lamp in front of the deity as a symbol of devotion and respect. Another way of worshipping Lord Vishnu is through devotional songs and hymns, known as bhajans. These songs are sung in praise of the deity and are often accompanied by musical instruments like the harmonium and the tabla. The festival of Janmashtami, which celebrates the birth of Lord Vishnu, is one of the most important celebrations for his devotees. This festival takes place on the 8th day, Ashtami, of the Hindu month of Shravana and is celebrated with great zeal and enthusiasm. On this day, devotees fast, sing bhajans, and perform puja to Lord Vishnu. Another significant festival related to Lord Vishnu is the Rama Navami, which celebrates the birth of Lord Rama, one of the 10 avatars of Lord Vishnu. This festival is celebrated on the 9th day of the Hindu month of Chaitra and is marked by the recitation of the Ramayana, the epic poem about the life of Lord Rama. In conclusion, Lord Vishnu plays a significant role in Hinduism and is worshipped and celebrated by millions of devotees all over the world. Through his teachings and avatars, he continues to inspire and guide his followers, helping them to lead a life filled with peace, prosperity, and wisdom.